God made you that girl, so you need to start acting like that girl. So what? But when I do the makeup, I realize I'm never drying my brows. But I do not. I show you that I come as I am on here, okay? That's a come as you are and I come as I am. Anyway guys, it's Sunday afternoon and we're on the road as usual. I don't know how is up on the road on weekends. We don't stay home on weekends. I mean, who does? Everybody do road weekends. Either way, today's Sunday. We're heading to the supermarket. I'm not gonna take you guys in with me, obviously. Alright, but I did want to hop on here and basically start off the vlog because tomorrow is the boys' sports day and I want to vlog that. Not sure how much, you know, sports day kind of hectic, but as usual, regardless of where I go, I always try, you know, snap 2 pics. Jesus Christ, what up? Boom, you hear that? That's so expensive and it's not even my car. But yeah, I said let me hop on here and, you know, give it a look at here. What's up? How is your day going so far? Like, guys, interact with me in the comments. Like, y'all really comment. I realize I get a lot of likes, I get 1 and 2 comments, but y'all not commenting on the vlogs and we need the comments to be up. Like, guys, we need YouTube to know that, hey, this is where it's at, Couture Shanz, this is where it's at, and, you know, push up the channel to more people. So interact with me in the comments, guys. Leave a like, subscribe. Yeah, I've been seeing you guys doing that, but I want to work on my interaction on the channel this year. I mean, I think I'm a pretty easy person to talk to, right? Where this I'm a pretty easy person to talk to. Like, you know, comment, I'm not gonna respond. Like, if you know me, I respond to every single comment on every platform that I'm on once I see it. So once I see a comment, I'm going to respond. Like, why am I not leave you hanging? Like, I don't do that. So the only time you'll see me not responding to your comment is if I literally did not see it. So yeah, guys, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Tell me how your day is going. Like, simple as that. Just let me know how your day is going. Other than that, I really don't have anything much to say. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. I already went and got the boys like a bag of yellow things because they're in yellow house. I got myself a yellow shirt. You know I have to come out and represent. I get Jason a yellow shirt too, but I'm not wearing really yellow shirt. We can't wear a yellow work shirt. Yeah, so you'll still be in yellow like all of us. So we'll go represent, participate, maybe we have you know, some athletic genes in the family, so can probably participate in like a parent race or something. This is one up 2 wide foot. Well, not me still, cause I might have my table carry and gonna, but either way, we'll see how that goes. Looking forward to it. Super excited. The boy I'm kind of sick still, and like slightly sick, but I think they'll still be up for it tomorrow. Okay, so what is that? Why you play Jamaican every day? Don't do that. Don't do that. So guys, on this blessed Sunday, like, I'm feeling so blessed today. I mean, I feel blessed every day, but this Sunday feels a little lighter because, as you know, we carry burdens. Everybody walk around with problems that you probably don't even know about. So I'm feeling so light today, and I said I want to do like a little segment of Shan Speaks. Yeah, I feel like I want to do that today, so I'm just gonna drop in a little segment of Shan Speaks. Okay, so today I want to speak about self-confidence, self-worth. Yep, I said it. Growing up, I was never like that confident person, you know. I don't know why. Like, others like always believed in me, but Shanice never believed in herself. What was self-confidence? I don't know. Like, sometimes people kind of, you know, what I say now, associate self-confidence with being bold, and when you're shy and you're just reserved, you know what I'm saying, on the confidence. I mean, I don't really agree with that, but most times that's really the case. So growing up very shy, I always stay to myself. When I talk to people wonder if I can talk, and I didn't see anything wrong with that, if I'm being honest. But later on in life, it affected me in areas that I was like, hey, you know, so maybe if somebody come out of my shell a little more, or if I was a little bit more outspoken, then you know things would have been different. So it does affect you. And as I said, growing up, that was me. I was just like the shy girl, no friends, don't go anywhere, all of that. And I think in like high school, I came to the realization that something has got to give. Like you have to go come out of this little shell when you're in, because it just not gonna work. And like growing up too, I don't know why, but I've always been taught like not to question authority. Well, I don't know if it's taught or learned behavior, I don't know, but depending on my household, kids were supposed to be seen and not heard. Like you couldn't question authority, because if you do that, them say you're disrespectful. So whatever the adults say, you just have to take and just go along with it. So when I got to high school now, and I saw like my peers questioning like their teachers or whatever the case may be, I was taken aback, because as far as me concerned, what adults say goes. And I saw my peers basically, you know, countering, like having discussions, you know, expressing their disagreement with certain things, and it was okay. And I was like, so wait, like I could do this all along. Like I had a voice, why was I being silenced? And I didn't like that, but still I did nothing about it. And even now in like relationships, I can see where I let that lack of self-confidence like get in the way. Because listen, if a girl tell me say, yo, you know, say you're pretty or whatever, you're beautiful, blah blah blah, I'm like, me, this girl right here, like I didn't believe it, because as I say, I didn't believe in myself, I don't see it. So you will come with your lies now, because this little girl way grew up with big forehead, caca face, I'm still have my ears them. I get trouble about them for years up and end, and I just did not see myself as beautiful. Like I'm just being honest. So right this, so don't bother already. If you can't see that in yourself, if you can't look yourself, then how do you expect others to? So when people came to me like with that point of view, I was like, nah. So currently I am learning to love myself. It's an ongoing process. I'm working on being more confident in myself. It's something that my partner has been, you know, drilling down in my head, but I'm stubborn. I'm gonna do things on my own time, so you can't say whatever I want to say, but I'm learning. Like, and even with communication skills, I was never big on communicating. Like Shanice articulating her feelings, no. I prefer to give you the silent treatment and just not say anything, rather than communicate, rather than use my words and say, hey, this is how I'm feeling, you know, I don't like this, whatever. I used to just shut down. So that was my method of communication, and all of this was coming from my lack of self-worth, self-confidence, just feeling as if I was never good enough. So yeah, as young ladies, I just want to implore you to, you know, believe in yourself, love yourself, be confident in yourself, because we are all fearfully and wonderfully made. Like God made you that girl, so you need to start acting like that girl. So if you don't have any confidence in yourself, just work on it. Work on speaking to yourself in a positive light. Don't bash yourself. Get up every morning and basically talk positivity over your life. Talk blessings, abundance, you name it, and trust me, you will become that girl. You're already that girl, but you'll be a better girl. So that's just my little take on self-confidence, you know, self-worth. And at the end of the day, you determine your self-worth. Don't let anybody else determine it. So yeah guys, that's it for this segment of Shan Speaks. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this segment, and what's your take on self-confidence and self-worth. Like, let us know some tips that you can instill in your life. All of us here on the channel, you know, can learn from each other, so let us know some tips down below on how to build self-confidence and increase your self-worth. Why do I look like this? Some light. You okay?
Yeah, this is a joke myself, bud.
It's the next day and we're out and about in our yellow. So the boys are in yellow house, of course, and we're heading to their sports day for a day filled with sporting activities, I guess. So Javi's over here in his yellow. Say hi, Bugsy. Javi is over there. And we got Daddy in his yellow shirt too. So we're out representing today. Jamie still have a little cough. Hush, Bugsy, so feel better, okay? So yeah, we still have the sniffles, but we move. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me today for the festivities, as I said before. What up, 2 boy foot? Jamie, we're gonna win today, right? We're gonna come first today, right? But all that matters is that you do your best, right? Because your best. Good job. Never let it rest. Try your best. And let your best. Never let it whatever I'm saying. Good job.
And now I can run faster than the little baby.
You gonna run faster than all the little babies? Yeah, man, you burn up them foot, okay? And if you win, you're gonna get some money. Okay? Alright, so yeah, that's the motivation today. Some money, okay?
I will go feed her at the
You pass here about money, say I got run fast. Alright guys, I'll catch you in a second.
Till I get you on the floor, good looking.
Boys are in there yellow. Jamie, can barely see a boozy. So we're out and about. I see the cheerleaders on the field already. Come Bugsy. Jamie over here. And it looks like they're just about to start, so we're right on time. They look so cute in their little cheerleading outfit, guys. Fun fact, I always wanted to be a cheerleader. It didn't happen, but let's live vicariously through these. We had a problem for me. I always want to be a cheerleader, but I can't dance. Can't dance to save my life. I'm going to show you them.
People, no noise.
There's
Stop blowing your horn. Take it easy.
These are headbands. I would need 2 yellow. Yeah, yellow. So you can't have blow. I'm going to put it on fire. Oh, blow it, baby. Blow it to see if it works. Blow. This one works. Good job. Alright, let's go.
Burn myself, I just had to touch it. But it's so fine, and it's so nice. Hey, baby,
Are you ready for
we
it?
don't mind all the watching.
Look.
Cause if they study close, real close, they might learn something. She ain't nothing but a little doozy when she does it. Hey, baby, and we don't mind all the watching. Cause if they study close, real close, they might learn something.
Where's them at? Ready, always ready. Ready, proper training. Guys, I don't think we're winning today, but I guess that doesn't matter. The boys are watching You want what? Oh, you want to race with them? It's almost your turn, okay? Alright, let's see. Boss, I'm going to race with them. I don't know if boss a race to them, but we'll see. Yeah, man, I'm going to do it, but...
I will give you the point stand. So we start from 4.
How Javier walks slow? Hey! I don't like how I walk so slow, you know. I really never going to do.
Alright, let's go. Take up your blocks. Right there. Take them up and go to the bucket. Go right there. Take them up, put them in the bucket right now. Put them in the bucket. Take it up, right there. See there. Take it up. Take it right up. Put it in the bucket. That's the way to go.
Run, Javi, run!
That's the way to go. Take it up, right here. Take them up, right now. Take it up, put it in the bucket. That's right. The last one now. Take it up. Take it up and put it in the bucket right now. And the right towards line. It's yellow house. Follow my red. Oh, it's red. There. Put all the extra gear. It's. Oh, a close one. I wonder which. So we got a house is there, proper house. Yeah. Yellow and blue.
He's running again.
In their respective
Give her
areas.
a high five,
So
Johnny.
blue,
Good
red,
job. You
purple,
won. Got juice?
yellow.
Come, let me see your medal.
The last race in the
Show that your
category.
medal. Let's see your medal, Bugsy. Woo, look at it. You came second. Good job. Put it on. Good job. You did good. High five. High five, Bugsy. Good job. Show me a medal. Show me. Came first. Good job. Yes, Debbie, show me your medal. Debbie, look. Show me your medal. Good job.
It's so fine and it's so nice. Hey, baby.
Feed her popcorn.
Cause if they study close, real close, they might learn something. She ain't nothing but a little doozy when she does it. She's so fine.
Popcorn. What, you want popcorn? Make up your mind what you want, young man. Go, Javi, go! Go, Javi, go! Go, Javi, go! Go, Javi! Okay, so that's about it for Sports Day. They're still running,
That's right.
but it's getting late. It's like 1 o'clock, so just I'll cut out. Javi, walk up. Jamir, wait on me. So Javi got gold and silver. Jamir got gold. Them not run again, so we're going home. Jamir to the left. So yeah, guys, it was fun. Jamir, come here, come here, come here. Come beside me. It was so much fun. You boys enjoyed yourself today?
Yeah.
It was fun?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. And you boys did so good. You ran so fast.
Yeah.
So they're still on the field, as you can see over here. But we're cutting up. Come, Javi, no running. So I'll catch you guys when I catch you guys.
I can't wait till I get you on the floor, good looking. They going out so hot, just like an oven. And I'll burn myself, I just had to touch it. But it's so fine, and it's so nice. Hey, baby, and we don't mind all the watching. Cause if they study close, real close, they might learn something. She ain't nothing but a little doozy when she does it. She's so fine tonight. They going out so hot, just like an oven. And I'll burn myself, I just had to touch it. But it's so fine.
Morning, guys. Still sick out. So it's the next day, and I'm heading on the road to do a small fitting with a customer that I had made some dresses for. So I'm gonna show you guys a little preview / sneak peek of that. When I get back in, I have some sewing to do. I have a dress to make for myself, so I may show you that as well. But as it stands today, that's all I'm really doing. Hold on, the gym bag. Take time with it. Hey, listen to me. I have a dress around the back here. See there? 2 dresses actually I'm gonna fix it. Come along with me.
And it's all mine.